Smartphone batteries drain fast due to poor charging habits, background apps, and high screen usage. To make your battery last longer, keep it between 20% to 80% while charging. Use battery saver mode, restrict background apps, reduce screen brightness, and more. Stressed about your smartphone's draining battery? Despite all the care and precautions, one of the biggest factors that affects battery life is how you charge your handset. Experts suggest avoiding both overcharging and letting the battery drain completely to 0%. The ideal practice is to keep your smartphone battery between 20% and 80%. Overnight charging should be avoided if possible, as it keeps the phone at 100% for long hours, which may stress the battery in the long run. If your phone supports fast charging, use it only when required. For daily charging, a standard charger helps reduce heating and extends battery health. Most smartphones today come with a battery saver or power saving mode. Enabling this feature reduces background activities, lowers screen brightness, and limits high battery consuming processes. On Android phones, you can find this option in Settings Battery, while iPhone users can turn on low power mode. This small step can help you squeeze out extra hours of usage when the battery is running low, especially during travel or power cuts. Many apps continue running in the background, even when you are not actively using them. Social media, maps, and shopping apps are common culprits. Go to Settings Apps Battery Usage and restrict background activity for apps you don't use frequently. Additionally, turn off autosync for emails, cloud storage, and messaging apps if not needed. This reduces unnecessary updates and saves power. Your smartphone's display consumes the maximum battery. Reducing screen brightness, enabling adaptive brightness, and shortening the screen timeout can help save energy. If your phone has an AMOLED display, using dark mode also helps. Similarly, turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and mobile data when not in use. Switching to airplane mode in low-signal areas can prevent the battery from draining too quickly. Smartphone makers often release software updates that improve battery management. Keeping your phone updated ensures you get the latest optimizations and bug fixes that can improve battery.